This in-service video will provide you with basic instructions on manipulation of the SSAB series of linear cutter staplers from Panther Healthcare. For more information, please refer to the instructions for use included in the package. Description: The Panther linear cutter separates into two pieces, the cartridge holder and the anvil section. Starting at the back of the instrument, we have the adjustable firing knob and release button. Here is the cartridge fork that holds the reload unit and the anvil fork. Method of operation: Open the instrument and separate the forks by pressing the black release button at the rear of the instrument. Remove the red chipping tab. Apply the instrument across tissue with the lock lever in its fully open position. The instrument forks can be applied in a scissor-like fashion or separately. Align the forks in a parallel fashion, joining the rear hinges and connecting the front of the instrument as shown. Then close the lock lever such that an audible click can be heard, indicating that the instrument is closed properly. Remember to verify proper placement of the instrument before firing. To fire the instrument, place your thumb against the firing knob at the rear of the instrument. The adjustable firing knob allows firing from either side of the instrument, offering the surgeon flexibility during positioning. Advance the firing knob fully until it stops. As the stapler is fired, it places two double staggered rows of titanium staples and simultaneously divides the tissue between the two rows. After firing, reverse the action by pulling the firing knob all the way back to its original position. To separate the instrument forks, simply press the black release button with your finger. A controlled spring mechanism will gradually disengage the housing. A plastic tab immediately covers the knife blade for safe handling of the cartridge unit during unloading and reloading. The SSAB linear cutter staplers and cartridge units are equipped with a safety lockout that prevents the instrument from closing when a previously fired cartridge unit is in the stapler. Yellow indicators are visible in a cartridge unit that has been fired. To unload the cartridge unit, grasp the cartridge half of the stapler with one hand and the bottom of the cartridge unit with your thumb and forefinger, then pull the cartridge unit out of the instrument like this. To reload the cartridge unit, insert it into the instrument by seating its tip into the top cartridge fork as shown. Secure the reloading unit into place. By pressing it into the cartridge fork, an audible click will be heard. Remove the red chipping tab. Note the cartridge unit is designed to float in the cartridge housing. This is a safety feature that prevents accidental pre-firing. The SSAB linear cutter staplers are designed to be reloaded 7 times for a total of 8 firings during one operation. The SSAB linear cutter staplers and cartridge units come in a blister pack color-coded according to the size of the staple. The following staple closure sizes are estimates. 3.8 mm staple cartridge units are blue, and close to 1.5 mm. 4.8 mm staple cartridge units are green, and close to 2 mm. Note: actual closure sizes depend on tissue thickness. Features and benefits: new blade with each cartridge. Brand new stainless steel blade for each firing. Guarantees smooth, precise transaction during each firing. Cartridge safety lockout. White plastic pop-up guard deploys after reloading unit has been fired. Prevents clamping on an already fired reloading unit. Optional rear or center hinge clamping. Ability to clamp in scissor-like fashion or parallel. Accommodates all surgeons' preferences. Adjustable firing knob. Able to be fired from either side of instrument. Flexible and easy to use. Quick release button. Easy unclamping and removal of forks. Less potential for staple line disruption. Panther Healthcare Medical Equipment.